Okay.
This is my code. So what my code does is to program the drone. So it's on start, which is this button. What it's gonna do is it's gonna see if the drone is connected. That's what the is connected is for. So then after it's connected, it'll take off. It'll go up for 1 second to make it higher. It'll repeat this 4 times of going forward, turning right 90 degrees, and moving forward. And it's gonna repeat that 4 times to make the base of my cube the bottom square. It's gonna go up for one of the walls or the start of a side for my cube, and then it's gonna go forward, down, up, and it's gonna turn right, and that's gonna create my walls and everything else, and the top for my cube. And then after that, it's gonna land.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay. So.
Awesome. Great stuff.